Now I'm going to basically work on part basically 6 of this tutorial. So where we last left off is we did the hair basically. So now basically today we're going to be working on, now basically for this tutorial, we're going to be working on the actual shirt and the actual pants, I think. Yeah, around that. So first of all, what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to start off with the pants. And the best way to better get understanding and how to edit this properly is we should hide the actual shirt. We should go into here. And we should go into here and do the actual pants like that. Go into bone and we're going to choose actually we're going to go into here and we're going to choose should be here, right side, like that, right there, and we're going to choose left side, like that. Pretty much like that. And this is called the bone editing menu right here. So this makes our job much more easier to work with when we're working with this program. So it's not quite done yet. So now what we have to do, first of all we should go into the editing menu right here. And we should make sure that we're on pelvis bone, thigh, that's not going to do. Just go into here and just select these. And I should bring this to right side, like that. Left thigh, pelvis bone, pelvis bone, pelvis bone. Actually, pelvis bone, we're going to do this. So we're gonna do this, I think. This is not going to go very well. So I'm going to put that aside like that. So I'm just going to go into here and kind of like that, disappearing a little bit. So kind of like that. So we have that already set right there. These pants are not done very well. So we'll just leave that like that. I think that's pretty much good. Now what we're gonna do is work on the sleeveless shirt. think that's pretty much it basically right there. I think we did a lot right there, so I guess that's how you do it. So what I did right there is I added basically the actual basically, like when I added the bones onto here, I did the bones on this entire thing right here. So now the clothes is really edited. You're not really going to see the really bottom of this part because this character is going to be basically a walk cycle or so. Open GL like that. So like that. We're gonna put this at 2000 like that. So that's the character already ready to be done. And that's the clothes right there. So the only thing we now need to do is add basically IK constraint ball joints to this. The only thing we have to do is kind of add like ball joint, and add a ball joint like that. Ball joint, and these fingers we have to add a ball joint towards these. So what we have to do is we have to go into here, add ball joints to these two. Add ball joints to all these, I think. Add ball joints. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a ball joint towards this. And we just add like set constraint, add ball joint. So we move this, the head moves along with that too. So we just select this top bone and we just move that, like that. If you were to go into here, just gonna go into head. So let's say if we turn this right here, we just have to go into here and go into the bottom bangs like this, or go into here, just move that out like that, place that however we like that, this, like that, and that's how we do this in a way. And that's how we set the bones right here. And this right here, if we were to go into here, we just go like this, like that basically, and it automatically places the arm like that. And we just go into here like that, like that, and it automatically does that, which I don't like how the way that looks. So I'm just going to go into here, and I might actually work on this a little bit more. It's a good thing I actually checked. So I'm going to go into the jeans. And I might actually go into here, click on this. And I'm just going to go subtract right here, bring up the strength like that. And I'm just going to do this.
Be careful.
Like that pretty much. And I'm just going to add that like that pretty much into here. So we're bringing that down like that pretty much. So that's more easier to be edited right there. So we have that. So now let's check this out. So when we go into here, we should be able to rotate this like that. And now we're just going to go into here, and we're going to bring that to the knee right there. Knee. And we're going to do the exact same thing right here. Like that. And right side. And kind of like that. Then we just bring this back like that. it goes back like that. So now we're just gonna go into here and go on top of this, and we're gonna go send to origin right there and do the exact same thing with the hair. Send to origin like that. And then the hands, once we put the bones into the hands, we just bring that down and we just go like that, and it automatically puts that shape right there. So I guess that's it with the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed basically. I guess we're basically done rigging this character. Just let me check one more thing, for example. So if I were to go into here, yeah, that's good. That's right about just good enough. Very good. So I guess that's how I rigged the character, so I'm just going to save that. So I guess we're done about that now, so I guess we're done. I hope you enjoyed basically part 6 of this tutorial, and I hope you learned a lot basically. Have a nice day, and thank you, goodbye.